Very strict because implementation through Goa Pollution Control Board, through police department, to administration, collector, deputy collector will be enforced thoroughly because POP does not disintegrate. It becomes, instead of becoming environment friendly, it becomes environment nuisance and it becomes a big nuisance for the entire thing, and then people start blaming the government for various other things. So this time strict implementation will be done where POP idols will be banned for sale, or even people who buy POP idols will have a problem for including fining or imprisonment if required.
Okay, as a Prime Minister, during Ganesh festival, कसे तुम्ही ते करतले की लाईटी बाईटी
Try
सगळं
किती आता पळय Ganesh festival is like a very big festival for us in Goa. आणि ते भितर LED lights बिशे आमी चालू काम केल्लें आसा. पूण कितें जाता लावक आय विल शो यू व्हिडिओज वेर पावस पडटा आनी सारके करतात हे आमचे लायन्स पे कंटिन्युअसली पावस जाल्ल्या कारणान इट बिकम्स लिटल डिफिकल्ट. बट आय एम शुअर एंड कॉन्फिडंट आमचे लोक जे आसा बिफोर द गणेश चतुर्थी एवरी लायट स्ट्रीट लायट 98%, I will not say 100%, 98% will be working in the state of Goa. Even we have आमी जे कन्वेंशनल लायट खूब कडेन आशिल्ल्यो ट्यूबलायट CFL ते देखून आतां चेंज करपाक चालू आसा सगळे कडेन.
बरं लोक काका नुसतं म्हणतात
लोक काडकाना हरशे भशेन ना
सीएमाचेर म्हणा उदकाचे
उदकाचे CM taught it wise maybe that he will give. Maybe tomorrow he can give electricity free or whatever. He must be having something in his mind. It's up to him as the chief minister of the state. He decides. I cannot decide as by. आता उदकाचे आणि tomorrow CM decides की we will give 500 units free. So what can I do?
उदक सारकें येता लोकांक.
There are issues. Wait, I'm not a PWD minister. म्हाका खबर ना. If you asking me generalized statement, I will not be able to ask.
So CZMP report has been ready.
No, I told you last time. No, okay, CZMP reports are being finalized. They are going door to door. It takes time, and with the weather condition, it becomes very difficult because we have told everybody that there is specific. If there are incidences of reporting of survey numbers, we are going to personally the team will go and see. So with this weather, inspections get delayed. We have to go on ground to think करून जाता. So it is going on. म्हणजे हे विका पोतून मिटींग आसा टू टेक द कितें जाला वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड वेर इज दी स्टेटस बी सगळें आमी हे विका मिटींग
पब्लीक हियरिंग सजेशनां कितली येयलेली आनी आयडिया लायक
टोटल आमी पब्लीक हियरिंग न्ही आमकां बेश्टे देखून दिल्या आनी पयलीं दिल्या आनी सगळे धरून आमकां 8,000 7,500 8,000 पेपरां इनवर्ट केल्या.
ओके
तितू थोडे जे आसा जस्टली वेगळी दिले आमकां हेंच नाका यू कॅन अटेंड टू दॅट. सो वी हॅव नाव बायफिकेटेड एंड वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दॅट.
सो बायफिकेटेड जावन कितली
ना ते तुका ऑफ हँड हांव सांगू शकना बिकॉज इफ आय गिव अ स्टेटमेंट इट इज गव्हर्मेंट स्टेटमेंट आय हॅव टू बी प्रिसायज. सो बिश्तो हांव ऑफ हँड सांगू शकना. सो आय नो दॅट 8,000+ एप्लिकेशन्स आर देर. स्क्रुटनायज जाल्लीं आसा सगळ्यो गोश्टी जाल्ल्यो आसा. तुका सगळो ब्रेकअप वेन वी फायनली sit with our team. I will give it.
So 30 is the deadline, no? Green Tribunal.
See, we will ask for a date. See, 30 is a deadline, no doubt, and we want to do CDMP plan. We will ask for a date, further extension of the date, because see, we had encounters a lot of difficulties. And our 30 आमचे पयलीं जेन्ना CDMP जेन्ना प्लॅन केल्लो पोस्टपोन करपा लागले डेट आमकां. So all these things are there, parameters which are there. We will ask for some time because we want to make people's plan. आणि people's plan म्हळ्यार खंय तरी ज्यो गोश्टी लोकांनी सांगलेल्यो आहा आनी ह्यो गोश्टी ना जशें सँड्यून आसा आनी ते दाखोवना वो सँड्यून ना ते दाखयला वो आनी कितें हे सगळे ग्रावंड थिंग करूंक पडटलें. सो पीपल आर हेल्पिंग अस टू मेक दीस प्लॅन. दॅट इज वाय 8,000 एप्लिकेशन वी आर स्क्रुटनायझींग. सो प्रॅक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी आसतल्यो वी वील फायंड प्रॉपर सोल्युशन. इट विल नॉट बी अ प्लॅन which is made in the air, but every representation given properly, technically and on sound basis will be adhered to.
So when is expected? How
No, I said no. This week I am having another meeting. Often I cannot do. I don't go for inspection. It is the authority who goes for inspection, and there is authority. So I will take the feedback by calling for a meeting. Last week we had a meeting. We decided this week I will call them and we will see, and I will get back.
हो ह्या दिसांनी खूब ट्रान्सफॉर्मर तूं इनॉग्रेट करीत आसा. सो सगळ्याक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर घालून
ना ट्रान्सफॉर्मर चालू आसा आमी करीत आसा. फाल्यां आनी आसा 7-8 अशें खूब कडेन घालता. सी under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, we feel that people should get proper power. खंय तरी जो इशू आसा पावराचो फ्लक्च्युएशन हें आमी पावर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर हाडल्या. नेवर इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट 10 म्हणजे पावर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्स 10 6.3 10 MVA ट्रान्सफॉर्मर हाडून आमी फिटमेंट चालू आसा. इट इज फॉर द पीपल. सो वी आर ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट. इट इज नॉट दॅट इजी बट वी आर ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट टू सी. आनी ऑनरेबल CM सारको फोकस आसा. जशें हांवें सांगलां अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग सगळें काम आतां फूल स्विंग चालू आसा.
Today, Goans are asking, most of the Goans are asking in proper investigation with the late Siddhi's incident. तुमचं किती म्हणणं
I
आहे?
should see. As a goal, if that incident is, which I have seen from your press only, if it is wrong, it has to be properly done. There is no doubt about it. Because see, there is nothing, there is no, even it can happen to me or it can happen to anybody. But if it is not, then the question comes. Because I have seen various statements. I have seen statements from my father before, now different statements. So we don't know. But whoever it is like my child. And whoever this incident has happened, it should be thoroughly investigated. And CM is on record already that he is going to give it properly. If anything is required, he will do. And he will find the solution.
So next month annual mining season is starting. So do you expect like mining to start this year or what
The
exactly?
Honorable CM has already made a cooperation and he has focused on his ways of getting things done. So let us see what he is doing. He will do because he is focused on that. He also comes from the mining belt. He knows better things because if he was MLA from not a mining belt, then I could have commented. But he is very serious about getting it done and I think he will be able to do it.
But are you hopeful that the mining will
No,
start
he is
this
very
year?
serious about getting things done and
पण
I am
election
sure that he
पहिले
will do.
जातले वो election मागीर.
हांवें सांगला न्ही CM ऑनरेबल CM मायनींग बेल्टाचो आसा आनी तेका आपणाचे
तुम्ही
खूब
आसा
आसा
त्या मायनिंग बेल्टांतले
आमी-
तुमकां लागता मायनिंग मशीन.
तेका लागून तो बिल पयर पास जालें ना आतां फुडें तेन्ना CM ऑनरेबल CM करता रे तो
लोकांक
मायन
विश्वास आहा की इलेक्शन पयलीं मागीर इलेक्शन लायक कोण
इलेक्शन इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस हे इलेक्शन फाल्यां इलेक्शन तें इलेक्शन पास पण मायनींग हे गोंयान चालू जावपाक जाय लिगली हें म्हाका खबर
सर तुम्ही एस्टिमेट काढपाचो आसलो न्ही फ्लडाच्या टायमार तुमचो कितलो लॉस जाल्लो तो कळलो.
फ्लडाच्या टायमाराचो लॉस जो आसा इज व्हेरी मिनिमल सो म्हाका दिसता व्हडलोसो फ्लडाचे डॅमेज जावं ना आनी ते जी आशिल्ली त्यो गोश्टी आमी केल्यो बट इज नॉट इट्स हार्डली म्हाका दिसता 30-40 लाख रुपयाचो जो आशिल्लो डॅमेज जाल्लो आसा आमचो मेजर रिलीफ जालो तो 28 क्रोजाचो तो सायक्लोना टायमार फ्लडाचे व्हडलेशे ना थोडे पोल आनी हे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर फेल जाल्ले आमचे आमी
झाले सगळे सगळे
हय सारकें
इन युअर पॉवर डिपार्टमेंट ना
नाही पावलो
पॉवर डिपार्टमेंट. थँक्यू सर.